Hey, we're here at Luxe Auto, and today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to install the Luxe LightWrap, even with nails like these. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to peel this about halfway down. So we're going to lock this side in and try to get it as flat as you can. And you are just going to get all of these air bubbles out, making sure that you're using the soft side. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is put your hand flat up against this, and we're just going to pull this off. And then we're gonna grab our heat gun. So I have one little air bubble right here, but my thumb can take care of that. So I'm just gonna press it and leave my thumb. And this film has some air channels in it to help prevent from bubbling. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna tuck the vinyl and cut. We're gonna take our blade, but we're gonna make sure that we angle it. That way if we do cut, we're cutting on the plastic and we're not cutting on the paint of the truck. So all that's left to do is just to rip this part off, and I would do it, but my son wants to. For the last step, we're just gonna take our squeegee again, and we're just gonna go all around the edges. All right, there you have it, wrapped in our Luxe LightWrap. I guess you can say I nailed it.